Hello, I'm Jake Wells with SealBoss Corporation. In this video I'm going to cover the static mixer used for 6060 cartridges. It is going to be a threaded mixer, so no retaining nut required. It measures a 1/4 inch in diameter by 8.7 inches in length, and the tip can be adjusted for different sizes of output, starting small, and you can trim it and go all the way up to this point right here. It does contain 24 mixing elements as well, so a very thorough mix here with that stair-step design. In order to attach the static mixer to the cartridge, you simply just want to line it up with the threads, screw it all the way in until it is secure, and you're ready to begin dispensing. If you have any further questions about this static mixer or any of our other static mixers, you can always reach out to us on our website at SealBoss.com. We're here to help. Thank you.